Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain you what is input dialog activity in UiPath. So which is nothing but a dialog box with a title, label and an input field. So this is an input field where the user need to pass the information like a name and age or mobile number etc. So you can also display the data entered by the user in a message box. For example, let me enter a name like Rushika and click OK. So your name is Rushika. So this user entered data is going to be stored in a variable which we have created. We need to create in UiPath Studio. So let me show you with an example. Let me delete all those and I am going to search for activity called sequence. Let me drag and drop it here and search for input dialog activity. So here you need to pass the title and let me give the label as enter your name. Okay, so here you have two options. Let me explain you about multiple choice later. So for now I am going to choose this text box and here you need to create a variable using a shortcut Ctrl K and I am going to name it as name. So whatever the data you have entered will be going to store in this name variable. Okay, so let me add an activity called message box and I am going to pass the variable name here. So this will display the text you have entered. So let me run this. So this dialog box is asking me to enter my name. Let me enter Rishika. Okay. So it is displaying in this message box. Let me show you with another example. Let me copy this activity and I am going to paste it here and I am going to rename it as age and I am going to change this label to enter your age and I am going to create a new variable for age and I am going to name it as age. Hit on enter and click on this activity and go to variables and this is the name. Its variable type is string and this is the variable name age and its variable type should be in int. Change this to int. So I am going to change this message box to your name is. Let me pass variable name and your within quotations your age is age and convert it to string. So let me show you clearly. Go to properties and click on this text. So this will be going to show you in this message box. So let me run this bot. It is asking for my name. Okay, and I need to enter my age. You will get this message box with your name and your age. So your name is Rushika and your age is 23. Okay. So let me explain you what is a multiple choice option in this input dialog activity. So let me delete this age and I am going to delete this message box and I am going to change this to national animal and and I'm going to change this label to what is our national animal, and I'm going to provide multiple choices for this question. So whenever you choose this multiple choice, you will automatically get this new field. So here you need to pass more than one choices, and you need to separate each choice with a semicolon. So let me pass some choices within quotations: tiger, semicolon, lion, colon, elephant, and colon I'm going to give giraffe. Okay, so I'm going to create a new variable here, use Ctrl K shortcut, and I'm going to name it as a national animal. Okay, and I will use an activity called message marks to display the text. So let me write here, your answer is plus, and let me pass this variable name national animal. Okay, that's it. Let me run this bot. So this is a title and this is a label, like what is our national animal, and here you need to select the answer from this multiple choices. So multiple choice is nothing but the user can select the answer from this predefined list. So let me choose this tiger and I'm going to click OK, and you got this message box like your answer is tiger. Okay, so this is so simple. Do practice on this input dialog activity. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like.